In this video, we are going to show you how to place an order for rope light or strip light and explain the different options within the drop-down menus on the pages. At the top of the page is the colour. Select the colour you want. Next, we have the size. Make sure you measure out the placement before ordering this product. Everything is cut to length, so each order will be unique as the product is cut in our warehouse. Once you've measured how much you need, select the size and move on to the next drop-down. The decision to add a female connector or an end cap comes down to whether you want to connect more products to your rope light or not. Selecting the female connector allows you to connect your rope light to any other product in the Connect Pro range and power this from the same starter cable. Alternatively, selecting the end cap effectively seals the end of the rope light, and it cannot then be connected to any other product. The next drop-down is power source. You will need to select a starter cable from this drop-down, unless you already have one in your basket or from a previous order. Once everything is selected, click Add to Basket